my friend. It's May, Haitian Heritage Month. So for this video, we're gonna be making salad laos, also known as beet salad, a very classic Haitian dish. We're gonna be using potato, beet, peas, dill, onion, carrot, celery, green onion, parsley, and mustard, of course mayo, to make this salad. To make laos salad or beet salad, first you need to cook the beet. You can use as many you want, but today I'm only using a few. And then add some water, just enough to boil it for about 10 to 20 minutes. Adding some rosemary, some thyme, if you got a clove for flavor, a little bit of salt and pepper. Cover and let's boil for about 10 to 20 minutes. So for the carrot, we peel it and dice it and then boil it for like 5 to 7 minutes. So the beet is ready, it's nice and clean. We cut it right here. So to make the final product, we add potatoes to the beet, carrots, some white onion, celery, peas, dill, parsley, green onion, mustard, mayo, and we mix everything together. And yes, salt and pepper to taste. And also make sure, be careful, because when you cook the beet, remember you put salt in the beet and the potato, so don't add too much salt. So you don't want your salad to be salty. You can always adjust the salt. After you mix everything, your potato is ready. Put it in the fridge for 2 to 4 hours before serving. Serve chilled.